want it, I'ma give it to you G straight. NML beats, I am not a human being. Ballin' like Kareem, sippin' on codeine. I lean with it, rock with it, got coke dreams. Boom, back, boom in the trap. When trap meets house, you get a trap house. Got 2 stacks, throw it at a strip dancer. Big booty hoe, said she from Atlanta.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountain song, sing you are my only one. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. But life can be this good. I would launch 1,000 ships just to be about you, till the multitude sail away, just to see you every day. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life can be this good. If I lived 1,000 lives, I spend them all with you beside. Never ending deja vu. Never ending days with you. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Oh, life is wonderful. Oh, life is wonderful. Never understood how life can be this good. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood. Life can be this good.
Hold on to hope, don't let go. Don't give up, there's rest for your weary soul. And time to heal, yet still you fight with what you're told. And hold on to your scars and wounds and paths of home. And I said, ooh, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah. And I said, ooh, my words are few, but I love you. Those words, please hear them. Yeah. Just pretend, just an awful dream, but please don't let your heart grow dead. For God restores and brings hope and grace and truth and life. And I said, ooh, what would you do if you could all your burdens, yeah. And I said, ooh, my words are few, but I love you. Those words, please hear them, yeah. Both alive, so we'll pour out grace until we And I said, ooh, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah, all your burdens, all your burdens.
Lies is such a simple word, and us is much more than you heard. Two little letters come together, and then loneliness is cured. Yeah, us is something like a dream. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. And us is fun not just another fantasy. Us is as real